Namaste. Whenever our mind runs, we feel very exhausted and tired and go crazy. So, to stop this mind, many people do meditation and find a way out. So, today I will share with you very quickest way to stop your mind, otherwise to go in a thoughtless state. So I was listening to one of the Agori Baba. So he was sharing this technique. I will share with you two techniques. The one of the techniques shared by Agori Baba. So he said to stop the mind, you just have to keep your lips separately like this, separately, and try to think. You can't think when your lips are not together. So that's the one technique you can try. Another technique is very easy. You sit for meditation like this and watch your thoughts. Keep watching. Then ask yourself, what is my next thought? Like a mantra. What is my next thought? Ask yourself. When you start finding whole your body, when you start scanning your body, you will automatically go in a thoughtless state. Please try these two techniques, and if you get success, please click thanks. Otherwise, comment below and share your experience with me. If you want to get connected with me, please click subscribe and get connected with me. Thanks for watching. Namaste.